The Marion Manufacturing Standing Seam Panel Line. Equipped with a 5,000-pound hydraulic decoiler and coil car, this Marion Standing Seam Panel Line delivers quality parts for an economic price. With an industrial JIC design hydraulic unit, the Marion decoiler provides for coils up to 5,000 pounds. The coil car makes loading those coils a safe and easy task. The build-in straightener removes the coil set, while the air-assisted material guide helps adjust for slight variations in the strip width. The chain-driven pinch rolls feed material to a set of notch punches. These punches are equipped with changeable, customized dies for all your punching needs. The integrated PA Industries crop shear has a rake blade to lessen the force required to cut. The default Beck Sierra 2 controller provides for highly accurate feed to stop capabilities. Other controller options are available. The hardened and chrome steel tooling is fully customizable for all of your needs. Marion uses crowder or side fixtures to add forming capability in between the normal passes to maximize the space in the frame and reduce the overall length of the machine. Nail flange holes are accomplished through use of a part-driven rotary punching system that is capable of a 2-inch or 6-inch hole pattern. The minor ribbing pass can be set in place to enhance the look of your panel. There are also a full complement of seam straightening rolls to ensure profile accuracy. Through the process of a tooling changeover, the line is capable of producing a 12-inch panel with a 1-inch or a 1.5-inch standing seam, as well as a 16-inch panel with 1 or 1.5-inch standing seam. C-spacers provide for quick and easy tooling changeovers, keeping your production going. With the multifaceted capabilities of a Marion Manufacturing standing seam panel line running in your plant and the Marion Manufacturing team in your corner, you'll be ready to meet the demands of the construction panel business like no other. Call or email us today for a quote.